Welcome to our Database Design and Implementation Masterclass, tailored specifically for beginners in mind. I'm Amar Morrison, a SQL Server specialist with almost a decade of experience in the field. Over the years, I've managed databases such as SQL Server, Oracle, and Postgres, both on-premise and in the cloud. Whether you are an enthusiastic student diving into the world of data management or a professional aiming to broaden your skill set, this course is designed to cater to individuals with little to no prior experience in database design. So this course is ideal for students pursuing degrees in computer science, information technology, or any other related fields. Or if you're looking to break into tech and you're looking to pivot into roles like data analysts, database administrators, or software development, then this course is ideal for you. It sets the foundation for database administration and data analytics. No matter your background or experience level, if you're intrigued by the world of data and databases and eager to learn how to design efficient database systems, this course is your starting point. Join us as we embark on an educational journey aimed at demystifying database design for beginners, empowering you to create well-organized and optimized databases that power the technological landscape. Let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of database design.